The Pennsylvania Association of Notaries, PAN, is the oldest and largest notary association dedicated to Pennsylvania notaries. We have been serving our members since 1955. From our office in downtown Pittsburgh, our customer service representatives answer hundreds of telephone calls, emails, and online chats from members every day. Whether you are renewing a notary commission, signing up for an online course, or handling a problem document, our customer service department can help. We believe in making your job easier by teaching you the notary law and skills that are essential for a notary public, by giving you the resources you need to build your knowledge and confidence, and by supporting you throughout your 4-year commission. We are the leading provider of mandatory state-approved notary education in the Commonwealth and an authorized education provider for the Department of Transportation. PAN's Education Department conducts live seminars at over 30 locations throughout the state. Our instructors also provide online seminars via Zoom so you can receive your education from the comfort of your own home. We even provide free webinars on specific topics suggested by our members. Our YouTube channel hosts a collection of instructional videos you can access at any time. Our educational offerings are designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed as a notary.
I'm Mark Aronson, President and CEO of the Pennsylvania Association of Notaries. You have my personal assurance that your continued success as a notary public is our first priority. Your membership will be a valuable asset, from your application for appointment, to your notary equipment, to answering your everyday notary questions. PAN is your most valuable resource. By becoming a member of PAN, you join over 40,000 Pennsylvania notaries who have already received the benefits of membership.
You may be wondering, what are those benefits? Not only do we help you become a notary, but membership provides you with benefits specifically for PAN members only. PAN guides you through the notary application process, and we review each application in detail before we submit it to the Department of State. We make your official stamp in our own manufacturing facility and have essential notary equipment available. Every stamp is inspected to ensure compliance with the requirements of Pennsylvania notary law. You can also purchase additional high-quality products backed by PAN's 100% money-back guarantee. With your membership, you will receive a copy of PAN's Practical Guide. PAN's Practical Guide for Notaries Public in Pennsylvania is the most comprehensive handbook written specifically for Pennsylvania notaries. New and experienced notaries rely on the Practical Guide for clear, step-by-step instructions on every facet of notary law and practice. We offer notary errors and omissions insurance at highly competitive rates. Errors and omissions insurance protects you, the notary, if you make a mistake that causes your customer a loss. Our monthly e-newsletter, Notary Notes, brings you the latest updates, feature stories, and quick tutorials on notary topics. You have access to the member portal on PAN's website, where you can view news, educational articles, tutorials, and find important updates written specifically for Pennsylvania notaries. You can search the archives, download forms, and chat online with a PAN customer service representative. When you are ready to renew your notary commission, PAN follows up with monthly reminders leading up to the expiration date. You have PAN's unlimited support to answer questions throughout your 4-year notary commission. Each inquiry, whether by telephone, online chat, email, or social media, is given individual attention and receives a prompt and personal response. Our office is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can give us a call at 800-944-8790, send us an email at pan@notary.org, or speak to a customer service representative on our live chat on our website, www.notary.org. Thank you for watching. You can keep up with PAN on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube.
We look forward to serving you as a PAN member.